This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable containers, specifically these Futura containers and inserts. There's several different sizes available, and they have a variety of different compatible inserts. First, we have our 32 and 37 ounce capacity rectangles, and you can see they feature those great clear lids. And there's several different inserts available, which you can see. First, with that single compartment one, they just fit right down in there in the top and kind of float above the rest of the container. There's also a 2 compartment, a narrow 2 compartment that features one larger side and one skinny side, and then this great little 3 compartment option as well. Over here, we have our 24 ounce, 34 ounce, and 44 ounce rectangle, and they have several 15 ounce capacity inserts available, and these also feature those great clear lids. There's a single compartment insert, a 2 compartment, and also a 3 compartment as well, meaning that these containers give you a wide variety of interchangeable setup options that allow you to pack a great variety of different dishes and really make sure that these containers suit your needs perfectly. They feature these great tight-fitting lids to keep your foods contained and avoid spills and messes during transport. And the clear lids are great for easily identifying foods and orders and reducing the amount of mix-ups. They're microwave safe, which means they're great for reheating both orders or leftovers. The inserts allow for the separation of different foods like dips or side dishes and can be removed before reheating. So not only do they allow you to kind of optimize the space you're using, but they really allow you to give the best presentation of your foods possible, since your customers can remove things that don't need to be reheated and only heat up the ones that need to be piping hot, allowing you to send more complex dishes and preparations for takeout. The PP plastic is recyclable, making cleanup easy and eco-friendly. And they feature this lovely, unique silver finish for that extra special, unique touch to your takeout orders, making these a perfect to-go option for restaurants or for caterers to use to pack leftovers post-events.